Bonjour gourmet friend, I am Gérard and welcome to the French Chef. Today I'm going to show you one of the most elegant French technique, beurre monté, and how to use it to glaze beautiful scallop. Just like in a Michelin star restaurant. It looks simple, but if you just go 2-3 degrees too hot, finished. The sauce will break. But stay with me, you'll be never afraid of butter again. And also, stay with me until the end. I'll share a little story from my years at Le Vivirois, this French restaurant in Paris, 3-star at the Michelin, where I learned so much. It's about when the French president Giscard d'Estaing will come a Saturday lunch with his 2 kids. It's a memory I never shared before. At the end, if you get something out of this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I'll produce more quality video on French culinary technique. And without further ado, let's melt this batter and stay with me, I'll gather all the ingredients. Welcome back to my kitchen. As you can see, I have now gathered all the ingredients. Very simple. For the butter monté, we have the cold cubes of butter and the water. Also, some salt and pepper. That's it. And for the scallops, 8 pieces, lemon juice, oil, salt and pepper. That's all. Now we prepare the scallops the Vivirois method, like in France. Pat the scallop completely dry. This helps achieve a golden sear. Season lightly with fine salt just before cooking. Add also a little bit of white pepper, always white pepper, with white dishes. I use a stainless steel pan for a strong sear. I add a little bit of neutral oil, grapeseed oil. It's perfect when you want heat, neutrality and precision. When the pan reaches about 160 or 180, I place the scallop on the flat side and leave them 1 full minute. And the Maillard reaction will start, creating this golden sear that we're looking for. And also this nice flavor and nice aroma. Don't move them. Now 1 minute only. Then you can flip them. Look at this beautiful color. Cook the second side for 40 seconds only. Be careful, overcooking will dry them and they won't be tender anymore. Now your scallops are seared. Oh, nice. Now you can remove gently with a spatula and tongs and keep them warm under a foil. Beurre monté. What is beurre monté? Beurre monté is an emulsified butter sauce. We start with a little water in a pan and you warm up to 60, 70. And then you add your cube of butter, cold butter, one by one, and you stir constantly like a mayonnaise. The result is a silky, glossy, delicious sauce that coats beautifully. We use it in a delicate French cuisine. Let's do it. Now I start. In a small saucepan, I use myself a ceramic pan. It's give a regular heat diffusion, and I use the gas. Now in my water, I just put 2 drops of lemon. That's it. The lemon helps a little bit for the emulsion, but if you put too much, it'll be too liquid. Now I warm up in a pan the 30 ml of water. And then I'll be adding my batter cubes by cubes. It's all melted, so a double check. See, still 60. Okay, 2 more. After a while, you feel with your hand, you know it's warm enough. Bit by bit, you see the sauce is getting a bit thicker. Beautiful. That's what we want. Oop. I put 2, huh? What a beautiful emulsion we have now. Look at this. You start to cut the spoon. As you can see, the beurre monté, you don't need to put maizena or cornstarch. Okay, it's getting a nice emulsion all the way. I double check to show you. See, we have 61. Beautiful. And now the remaining. Okay, now you have to be careful now. You have to have your plate ready. Get your scallop ready, warm. I prefer to use my spoon. I got now a good feeling. As you can see now, the sauce starts to be thicky. You have a perfect emulsion. All the butter is already melted and completely mixed with the water. You don't see the separation. It's a perfect emulsion. And now we're getting our little scallops. Remember the little scallops? And the final movement. See, you start to cut beautifully on the spoon. And we're going to serve. I check the temperature now again. We're at 60, 57. See, because I am on the low. Perfect. It's like the little custard. You have to be very careful. Don't go over 75 or 80 degrees. I got time to bring my beautiful plate. Now what you do, you put a little arc of butter around the plate. Beautiful. You have to be very quick now. You know, you put your nice little scallop and voila. I put 3 like that, and I can guarantee you that 5-star Michelin with all its splendor. And now the final. I got some chive. Okay. I think that's enough for the presentation. And look at this. Look at that golden color and the aroma of this beurre monté. Magnifique. I can't wait to try them. Oh, they smell good. I'll try. The scallop is covered with a beautiful silky sauce. It is perfectly cooked, caramelized outside and tender inside. The beurre monté is light, lemony and silky. The balance between the sweetness of the cultured butter and the acidity of the lemon juice is amazing. And that's pure French technique. And it's exactly what we are looking for. It does not break. It's a perfect beurre monté. Savourous. And now, my gourmet friend, you can do it too. Now you can create your own beurre monté like a pro in a 3-star restaurant. Now close your eyes. You are in Paris, under the Eiffel Tower, enjoying a fine dinner, and your guests will be very impressed. Before we finish, let me share that little memory. At Le Vivara, on certain Saturday, the dining room will suddenly become quieter. Why? Because the President Giscard d'Estaing, the French President Giscard d'Estaing, will arrive for lunch with his 2 boys. No fuss, no protocol, just a father and his sons enjoying a meal before going to play tennis. Guess what? In the kitchen, we felt pride, but also calm. What touched me most was not the prestige, it was the simplicity. The president always thanked us personally with a warm smile. And each time I thought, even at the highest level, the table remains a place of family, ritual, and simple joy. It's a small memory, but it has stayed with me all these years. Okay, if you enjoy learning how to make a beurre monté with me, please give the video a like and subscribe, and leave a comment. It encourages me to create more French technique video next time. Next time, I'll show you another delicious emulsion sauce, le beurre blanc. The same sauce we use to serve with fish fillet at the French president table. Thank you for watching and see you very soon.